We talk about directional troweling a lot, and it's important, but why is it important? I have this diagram that I made that I think can show you what poor coverage can cause and what it looks like in the tile. So what I did is I took a 1/4 by 1/4 notch trowel and I set this tile, but I didn't let the air escape to give us an idea of what a tile looks like cut through when the air is still there. So you see, you can still see the ridges and there's an air gap. Now think if this had been a 1/2 by 1/2 trowel, you would have a 1/2 by 1/2 air pocket there, which is just asking for an impact break. You're on a ladder, you drop your screwdriver, it hits the tile, that air pocket shatters. Now look at the tile that has the ridges collapsed. Look at right here. You see, it is sandwiched in there. The mortar is an 1/8 or less thick, and it's bonded completely to the substrate and completely to the tile. That tile is one with the substrate. That's the reason directional troweling and proper technique is critical to your installation. It doesn't take any extra time. Do it right. If you're confused about how to do it right, let's keep learning together here. And don't forget, tile the world.